One of the challenging things, as I am sure you know, as you're learning Siswati or teaching Siswati, is that there isn't a lot of material in Siswati for learning or teaching Siswati. So guess what? That is not true anymore. I am so excited to introduce my Siswati books and Siswati activity book, which actually doubles as a light curriculum. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing these resources with you, but also I am going to read my Tilwane Tidlane, What Do Animals Eat book. So I'm going to be reading this one. But before I get to reading this one, I am so excited to share that you can now buy this on Amazon. I have two stories about a Swazi girl that I am sure you will love as you're learning to speak Siswati. But also, if you have kids, grab this because your children would fall in love with the stories. And the best part is they are in Siswati, our mother tongue. I'm so excited. Anyway, and then I have this one. This is great if you're an adult learning, but is even better for kids who are learning Siswati, because if your kid is 3 and up, I'm pretty sure the kid could be older or could be younger than 2. I don't know. I do not do activity books like this with my kids until they're at least 3. But anyway, so this is like a curriculum. So just 10 minutes a day with this book can get your children speaking Siswati. So all you have to do is open to the next page and the words are there for you. You don't have to think about what you are going to teach them about. The work is already done for you. All you have to do is get to the page and spend about 10 minutes talking about what's going on there. Have your child do the interactive activity and close the book until another day, right? How easy is that? Anyway, so I am going to put links below on the description on where to find these. They are on Amazon and very easy to purchase. Now, let's get to reading Tilwane Tidlane. Tilwane Tidlane. What do animals eat? Inkukhu, chicken. Inkukhu idla umbila. Inkukhu italela emacandza. Lihashi, horse. Lihashi nalo lidla tjani. Lihashi liyagitshelwa. Inkomo, cow. Inkomo idla tjani. Lubisi silusenga enkomeni. Inja, dog. Inja idla inyama nalokulinywako. Inja inchikitisa umsila nayijabulile. Kati, kati utsandza kudla lokusanyamanyamana. Kati utingela tilwane letincane njengemagundvane. Indlovu, elephant. Indlovu idla tjani. Indlovu yinkhulu kunato tonke tilwane letingahlali emantini. Inyoni, bird. Tinyoni tivama kudla tilwane letincane njengetibungu. Inyoni inetinsiba. Ingobiyane, monkey. Ingobiyane idla titselo. Intsandvo kati kuletitselo ngubanana. Iphindze idle emacandza nemigololo. Imbuti, goat. Imbuti idla emacembe netjani. Umfana wembuti lizinyane. Timbuti nato tisipha lubisi. Timbuti atitsandzi kudlala emantini. Inyoka, snake. Inyoka idla tilwane letincane njengabo logwaja nemagunvane. Inyoka iyalumana futhi ide tinyawo. Imfutfane, ant. Imfutfane ikhutsele. Timfutfane tivame kusebenta kanye kanye ngekuthula. Inhlanti, fish. Inhlanti ihlala emantini. Itfolakala etitibeni, emfuleni naselwandle. Linyenti letinhlanti liyakhona kuntjintja umbala walo ufane newe macentselo ato kute tikhone kubhacela lokungatitingela. Logwaja. Logwaja udla tjani, emacembe, tibhidvo netitselo. Logwaja ugijima ngekuzuba. Angazuba afike ku-1 meter. Imvu, sheep. Imvu idla tjani njengembuti. Boya bemvu businika emajezi. Ingulube, pig. Ingulube idla konke ayichwensi. Ingulube isipha ibacon. Libhubesi, lion. Libhubesi lidla inyama. Liyatingela libambe letinye tilwane litidle. Wena utsandza kudla ini? Utsandza kudla banana, utsandza kudla pizza, lihabhula, inyama, sinkwa, emacandza. Utsandza kudla ini? The end. The end. Seyiphelile. So thank you for enjoying this book with me. It's a treasure in our home. My children really like this one. And this is not available yet, but you do have these ones. And again, I'm going to link those in the description for easy purchasing. Thank you for your support in advance.